Hello everyone. I am Eki Ismawati, with NPM 234120041 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video I will explain about process costing. Process costing is a method of determining production costs used by manufacturing companies that produce goods in a continuous and mass production manner. In this method, products go through several stages of the production process, and costs are accumulated and charged at each stage. This method is especially suitable for industries that produce homogeneous or uniform products, such as food and beverage, textiles, paper, chemicals, and similar industries. Characteristics of process costing. This method has several distinctive characteristics, including 1. The production process is continuous and repetitive. 2. The products produced are homogeneous or uniform. 3. Production costs are accumulated based on departments or production processes, not on customer orders, unlike job order costing. 4. Each process or department produces outputs that become inputs for the next process. 5. The cost per unit is calculated by averaging the total costs over the units produced during a period. Objectives of using process costing. The main objectives of using the process costing method are 1. To accurately determine the cost per unit at each stage of production. 2. To provide reliable information for setting selling prices. 3. To help prepare accurate financial reports according to accounting standards. 4. To assist management in decision-making, particularly in cost control and production efficiency. 5. To facilitate profitability analysis across different production processes. Types of costs in process costing. There are three main cost components in process costing. 1. Direct materials. Costs for materials directly used in the production process. 2. Direct labor. Costs related to the wages of workers directly involved in production. 3. Factory overhead. Indirect costs incurred during production, such as electricity, water, machine depreciation, and maintenance costs. These costs are collected and allocated systematically to each process or department. Stages in determining process costing. The process of calculating production costs using this method involves several steps. 1. Collecting production costs incurred in each process or department. 2. Calculating equivalent units, especially when there are beginning or ending work in process, WIP, inventories. 3. Determining cost per equivalent unit by dividing the total production costs by the number of equivalent units. 4. Allocating costs to completed units and units still in process. Simple calculation example. A company reports the following for process 1. Direct materials, IDR 50 million. Direct labor, IDR 20 million. Overhead, IDR 30 million. Units started, 10,000. Ending inventory, 2,000 units, 50% complete. Steps. Total cost equals IDR 100 million. Equivalent units equals 8,000, completed, plus 1,000, WIP, equals 9,000 units. Cost per unit equals IDR 100 million / 9,000 equals IDR 11,111. This cost is applied to both finished goods and ending inventory. So, it can be concluded that process costing is a cost determination system suitable for manufacturing companies with continuous production and uniform products. It groups costs by production stage, aiding in cost control, pricing, and financial reporting. Though less flexible for varied products, it remains effective for large-scale, volume-based industries.